The zebras are strong swimmers with tough skin and a deadly kick. If they stick together as a family, they're a good match for the crocodiles. Safely over, the first stallions urged their families across. The first attacks are by young and inexperienced crocodiles. To grab strong adults is foolhardy. A kick from a zebra can mean a broken jaw and a slow death. The zebra usually gets away. Those that hesitate become separated from their group. That's what the older crocodiles wait for. They know exactly what to do. They let the large animals and family groups go by. This is what they're looking for. The crocodiles seem to know the wildebeest are coming, even before they see them. They hear or sense the vibrations of a million approaching footsteps. The pressure of animals building up on the near bank is increasing all the time. The leaders are mostly males pushed on by the crowd behind. The numbers are so great that in the end panic becomes their main enemy, not the crocodiles. Something's got to give. The crocodiles won't have to work too hard. The river and commotion will do the killing for them. The wildebeest enter and leave the river at gullies worn away by hippos. In the bottleneck, animals are trampled and some drown in the crush. distracted, the next wave makes a dash for it. Don't seem to recognize the crocodiles as danger. Maybe it's their eyesight. Maybe their lack of experience. But the crocodiles are clear about what happens next. Gazelles are easy, bite-sized targets. By far their favorite food. The pregnant female has been here before. It's now not a matter of whether to cross, but when and where, and gazelles are not best designed for swimming. It can be done. The first one is over. Now it's time for the others to try.